Hi guys, welcome back. Welcome back with the last Sudoku in this additional with extra Sudokus in today's newspaper of Wednesday. Yes, still Wednesday, January the 27th, 2021. The last Sudoku I will solve is a Tectonic 01 a.k.a. Suguru in Japanese, and this one will be a 4-star Sudoku. I see number 2234. All right, so let's get started. And last time I've explained some shapes, and we have a T construction. And some numbers are connected. For example, this this T shape, we have a box there, and this is connected with that box. This box is connected with this box. The L shape. Do we have an L shape? An L shape? No, we do not. Only the a small one. Okay, then this kind of, yes, and this one, yes, this box is connected with that box. Okay, do we have and this box is connected with that box, same like here. This box is connected with that box. All right, so let's get started. And the first question is: can we see here the single box or boxes? I see here a single box. The single box is always a 1. Here I see also a single box. The single box is always a 1. All right, and I've told you this box is important. It's connected with that box, so this box should be also a 1. That means these two boxes cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. So one box left for the 1 should be here in this area. Yes. These 3 boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1. So one box left for the 1 should be here. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here or there. Dual box 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1, but also these 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 boxes left in this area for the numbers 3 and 1, 3 and 1. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 1 goes there. I think this box should be a 4 because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, should be a 4, cannot be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. And then this box cannot be a 4, so the 4 goes in these 2 boxes. We have double 4 here, that means I cannot place a 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 4 goes in these 2 boxes. Alright. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here or could be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3. So the 3 could be here or could be there. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. those two boxes cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes cannot be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. Now we have a 4 here, so this box cannot be a 4 anymore. This box should be a 4. This is this quarter box. Contains only the numbers 1, 2, 3, or 4. 4 I already filled in, so 1, 2, or 3 are there. That means that this box cannot be 1, 2, or 3. Cannot be a 4. So only one number left, should be the 5. Okay. This box can be a 4, so the 4 could be here or could be there. Yeah. This box cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1 because I need a 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that I cannot place a 1 in this box, otherwise I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 1 could be here or could be there. Okay. This box cannot be a 1 because I need a 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that I cannot place a 1 here, otherwise I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So this should be a 2 and this should be a 1. That means those 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So this is not the solution. Here the 1. So the only place for the 1 should be there. Now I have a 1 here, so this box cannot be a 1 anymore. This box should be a 1. Alright. That means that this box cannot be a 1. The 1 could be here, could be there. This box cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that this box cannot be a 1. I need a 1 in one of those 2 boxes. This box can also not be a 1 because I need a 1 in one of those 2 boxes. And this box can also not be a 1. So the 1 could be here or there. That means that I cannot place a 1 here, otherwise I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 1 should be there. Alright, 2 boxes left, the 2 and the 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3. That box cannot be a 3, so the 3 could be here or could be there. So we have a 2 and a 5 here, and I've already told you it's connected with that box. So this should be also 2 or 5. 2 or 5. It can be 4. That means I need a 4 in one of those 4 boxes. I have a 4 here, so this cannot be a 4. I have a 4 there, so this cannot be a 4. So the 4 goes together with the 1 as a pair. So this 3 cannot be here anymore. The 3 should be there. 1 box left for the 2 and the 5. 2 and the 5. Okay. And I've told you, look, this is connected, but also this box is connected with that box. So this should be also 2 or 5. Let me mark those. 2 or 5. 2, 2, 2. Okay. This box is connected with that box. So this box cannot be a 3. So 3 goes in those 2 boxes. Tough one, 4 stars. Yes, 4 stars. 3, 5, 4. 3, 5, 4. Yeah. We have a 3 here, so this box cannot be 3. The 3 could be here, could be there. 3, 2, 5, 3. Well, I cannot place the 3 here. I need a 3 in one of these 2 boxes. So the 3 should be here. Okay. So now in the T construction, those 2 should be 2 or 5. 2 or 5. And that means those 2 boxes cannot be a 5 because I need a 5 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 5 should be here. And I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there. So 1 box left for the 4. Okay, now we have a 5 there. So this can be 5 anymore. This box should be the 5, and this should be a 2. And this box is connected with that box. So this should be a 5. The same number. 1 box left in this area for the number 2. And I've told you this box is connected with that box. We have a 2 there, so this should be also a 2. This box should be a 5 because it's a pair, 2 and a 5. 4 and a 1. Okay, so it's depending on this one. We have a 2 here. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 2 anymore. This box should be a 2. And I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes here. 1 box left in this area for the number 1. Now we have a 1 here. So this can't be 1 anymore. This should be the 1, and this should be a 4. Let me see. Okay. 2 numbers left. The 3 and the 2. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 3 goes there. This box can be a 2. That box can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. 2 numbers left. The 3 and the 5. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 5 goes there. Okay. So these 2 number boxes cannot be a 3. Those 2 boxes cannot be 3. So the 3 could be here. Could be there. And then these 2 boxes cannot be a 5, so the only place for the 5 should be here. And this box is connected with that box, so this should be also a 5. Okay, so 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 4. We see here 4, no 4, therefore should be here. The 2 goes and there. This box cannot be a 5. That box cannot be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 should be here. And I've eliminated the 3. So the 3 goes there. 1 number left in this area for the number 4. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3. So the 3 goes together with the 1 as a pair. The other 2 numbers should be the 2 and the 4. We see here 4, no 4, therefore should be here. The 2 goes there. Then this box is connected with that box. It's a 2. So this should be a 2. Okay, because it cannot be 1. Should be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be 4, cannot be 5. Yes. This box should be a 3 because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, should be a 3, cannot be a 4, cannot be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. This box should be a 1 because it cannot be 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be 4, cannot be 5. Yes, definitely a 1. 2 boxes left, the 4 and the 5. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Now we have a 1 here, so this cannot be 1 anymore. This should be the 1, and this should be a 3. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be here, and I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. 1 box left in this cross shape should be the 5. All right. This box should be a 2 because it cannot be a 1. Should be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be 4, cannot be 5. Yes, definitely a 2. And this box is connected with that box. I see. Yes. If this is a 2, then those 3 boxes surround the 2, cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. Yes. So it's connected. This should be also a 2. This box should be a 5 because it cannot be 1, cannot be 2, cannot be 3, cannot be 4. Should be a 5. This box should be a 4 because it cannot be 1, cannot be 2, cannot be 3. Should be a 4, cannot be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. So 1 box left in this area for the number 1. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3. So the 1 and the 3 goes as a pair there. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. And I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this area for the number 5. Now we have a 1 here. I have marked those 2 boxes with a 1. Now we have a 1 here, so this can't be a 1 anymore. This box should be the 1. I have eliminated the 3 now, so the 3 goes there. 1 box left in this area for the number 5. Now we have a 1 here, so this can't be 1 anymore. This box should be the 1. Those 2 boxes can be a 2, so the 2 goes there. 2 boxes left for the 3 and the 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes. And they are finished in 17 minutes. All right, great. 4 stars Tectonic. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. And you can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe. And hit the bell button or bell icon to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. See you tomorrow on a Thursday. See you then. Bye bye for now.